Good morning, students. Welcome to E-Class. I am your Ekedas sir, DAV Autonomous College, Streetlagers. Today, we are going to discuss about economics impact of British rule in India, or we can say British economics policy in India. Okay, the MCQ questions are discussed here. The first question is, what was the first cotton mill in India? What was the first cotton mill in India established? The answer is your Mumbai. Second one, who among the following Indian freedom fighters made an attempt to estimate per capita income of India? Dadabhai Naroji is your answer. Third one, name of the journalist who wholeheartedly championed the cause of Indigo movement was Harish Chandra Mukherjee. Here four options are given. Okay. Next, the main grievance of the peasant in Champaran Satyagraha 1917 was regarding the. Here four options are given. The right option is oppression of the landlords. Next questions, who is credited with the introduction of permanent settlement in Bengal and Bihar? Here again four options given. Okay, option 2, Lord Cornwallis is the right answers. Next questions, who was associated with Ratwari settlement of Madras? Here also the four options given. The answer is Munro. Then next question, the English introduced Ratwari settlement in which province? Madras and Bombay Presidency. The next question, who is the exponent of the theory of economic drain of India during British rule? Again the answer is your option A, Dadabhai Naoroji. Again next questions, under which one of the following system of assessment the British government collected revenue directly from the farmers? Here also four options given. The answer is here Ratwari systems. Ratwari. Option 2. Next question. First railway line were laid down in India under which British governors? Here also four options given. Out of these four options, the first option, the Governor General Lord Dalhousie, is the right answer. Next questions. During the colonial rule in India, the permanent settlement was introduced by which Governor General? Here also the four options given. The right answer is Lord Cornwallis. The next questions. The causes of decline of textile industry in 18th century in Bengal was? The right answer is higher tariff rates on export to Britain. Here also four options given. Next questions. Which is the oldest trade union organization in India? The right answer is All India Trade Union Congress, AITUC. Here also four options given. Again, the next question, permanent settlement was a feature of dash zamindari systems. Next questions, in India the first bank of limited liability management by Indians and founded in 1881 was? Here four options given. Awadh, the commercial bank, Awadh Commercial Bank. Who among the following has started the Public Works Department in India in 1848? Here four options given. The right one is option 2, Lord Dalhousie. Next questions, Indian Factory Act was promulgated in which years? The option 2 is right answer, 1881. Next questions, the British introduced the railway in India in order to what? Four options given. The right answer is option 2, facilitate British commerce and administrative control. Here also four options given. Your option 2 is right answer. Facilitate British commerce and administrative controls.